am a Redfin associate agent, and this is how I prepare for a showing appointment. Before going to a house appointment or a showing appointment, I go to the website and I type the property location and the address over here. And I have to do a little research on the property. I'm just making up a location so you guys can see. This is not the real property that I'm gonna be touring today, but this is just an example. I have to research the location. I have to see the pictures, see how many rooms it has, the square footage, and I do my research on the property, and I went to the MLS and I read all the details and the instructions that the listing agent might have. Sometimes they have a super keys, sometimes they have a lockbox, sometimes they might give you a special code to enter the house, or they might have tenants. Or once I have read all of these instructions, I confirm the appointment with the buyer and I confirm the appointment with the listing agent also, so everybody's on the same page and we are ready to start the process. Let's go to see this house in LA. Hi guys, I'm here doing another property for Redfin.